Hi, this is Karthik. Welcome you all for this session. In this session, I'm going to teach you how to use header and footer in Microsoft Word. Once again, I repeat the topic, how to use header and footer in Microsoft Word. I'm going to explain header and footer using a simple example. Apply header and footer as shown below. Heading banded, document title your name, footer banded, text your name on left hand side, page number, in page number use current position and then use accent bar 2 on your right hand side. In order to complete the task, we need to open Microsoft Word. So go to search, type Word, where you can find Word 2016 icon. Just click on it in order to open it and use the blank document. Just click the blank document. It will take you to the workspace. Go to Insert tab where you can find header and footer. Click on header where you can find varieties of headers like blank 3 columns, asterisk, banded, facet, etc. etc. So among this we want to use banded. Just click on banded and replace the document title with your name. After replacing the document title with your name, click on close header and footer. Again, go to Insert tab, click on footer where you can find varieties of footers like blank 3 column, asterisk, banded and facet. So click on banded and delete the page number and type your name on the left hand side. Use spacebar and navigate to the right hand side of the page. Click the Design tab where you can find the page number. Click on page number and navigate to current position. When you click on current position where you can find accent bar 1, accent bar 2, accent bar 3, etc. etc. From this you want to select accent bar 2. Now click the option close header and footer. Whenever you create a new page, you can see the header and footers are created automatically. I think you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe. See you all in next video.